Hello and very welcome. In today's video I would like to talk about a very interesting concept, and it's about the idea of controlling your DAW with natural language. And before I start, I would like to explain how this works. So eventually you have already heard about the MCP protocol. It's an open standard protocol which is developed by Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI. And let me quickly read through that you get what it is if you don't know it. So what is the Model Context Protocol, MCP? It's an open source standard for connecting AI applications to external systems. Using MCP, AI applications like Claude or ChatGPT can connect to data sources, tools and workflows, enabling them to access key information and perform tasks. Think of it like a USB-C port for AI applications. Here you see on a diagram how it works. So this is the client side. I'm going to use Claude. Then you have the MCP server. And I use a Midi bridge and connect it with the Bitwig API so that they can communicate. So yeah, basically that's what I've done. I set up an MCP server, built a Midi bridge, and now I can control partially, of course, at least at the moment, Bitwig via natural language. So for example, let's say set tempo to 130 BPM. Takes a bit. Zack. And as you can see, tempo got set to 130 BPM. Let's try something else. You see here's 2 tracks currently. Let's say add 2 new instrument tracks to Bitwig. And you can see Claude added 2 tracks to Bitwig. Think of it that Claude now actually controls your DAW. Let's do some creative stuff. Let's say create an arpeggio, happy arpeggio line in C major. Let's see the result. So now Claude can directly compose note ideas in Bitwig and can write notes in the clip. Okay, 15 notes. Let's have a listen. Where's my headphone? Actually, as you can see, it's not on the 1 here. Let's say we go here and extend it. Play again. Yeah, I mean, it's a simple arpeggio mellow in C major. So let's request create a complementary chord progression. Let's see what it does. Oh, say hello. This is Lottie. Okay, excellent. Great, beautiful progression, perfectly complements your C major arpeggio. I mean, yes, it does it right, but unfortunately it's not correct with the length of the, not the length, the position is probably not correct, but let's have a listen anyway. I mean, it's nice. By the way, you can also, for example, let me quickly say play. So cool. I think it's super crazy. It clearly shows where all this leads. And currently I just picked some of the possibilities of the API, and I'm just using Midi for the connection. But imagine the Bitwig guys would implement like a proper implementation of the MCP protocol, and probably via something faster like OSC directly with all functionalities. It would be crazy. You could prompt like complex tasks, like for example add tracks with polymer and add an EQ high pass 60 Hertz and choose a dark preset, something like that. For me, this is more or less, yeah, first of all, it was a proof of concept if it's working, because I've seen similar applications connected to Blender, which I also found super interesting. And then I thought, okay, that might be also possible for Bitwig. And it's a work in progress. I need to now like implement all the API functionalities within the scripts. And once this is done, I will also provide the whole code and how to set up the server and everything else. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you like it and see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.